Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to apply for an Argos card. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and search for Apply for Argos Card. Click the official argos.uk address to ensure you are on the secure site. On the Argos Card page, scroll and click Apply Now. Read the eligibility notes and privacy information carefully, then click Get Started to open the application. Begin with the About You section. Enter your title, first name, middle name if applicable, date of birth, marital status, and number of dependents. Provide a valid email and phone number. Ensure all details match your official records. Next, complete the address section. Enter your current address and previous addresses for the last 2 years. Use postcode lookup if available and verify all house numbers and dates. The final step is finance details. Enter accurate bank and financial information as requested. Review all sections carefully, check for errors, read the declarations, and submit your application. You may receive an instant decision or an email with further instructions. So, that's basically how you can apply for an Argos card. That's it for this video. Thanks.